What's up guys, it's Via AI. I've been deep in AI video for 3 years straight. These are the final no BS top 8 tools that are actually winning right now in 2025. Let's dive in. Number 8, InVideo AI, the king of speed. I fed it a 1,200 word blog post gives 4 minutes later, I had a fully edited 2-minute YouTube video with stock footage, voiceover, subtitles, music.
Check this out! Totally possible, even if you're starting late. Step 1. Learn the 4% rule. You need about 25x your annual expenses. Step 2. Calculate your real fire number. Most people overestimate by 40–60%. Step 3. 2 levers to pull. Save more. Aim 50–70% if you can. Invest in broad stock indexes. Step 4. /big recurring expenses, /housing, /transport, /dining. I cut my own expenses from $92K a year to $38K a year in 18 months just by attacking these 3. Step 5. Earn more. Side income is a force multiplier. Step 6. Invest boringly. Retirement accounts, low-cost index funds, month 112. Roadmap. Track every dollar, cut big expenses, launch one side hustle, automate investments. Start today.
380,000 views in a week. Starts free, Pro is $30 to $60 per mo. If you need 20 to 50 marketing videos per month, start here and thank me later. Number 7. VED, the smartest online editor on the planet. Auto subtitles in 125 plus languages with 99% accuracy. One-click translation plus dubbing. Magic eye contact fix. Background noise removal. I turned a boring Google Doc script into a polished vertical video in 9 minutes. Still has an insanely good free plan. SMM managers and YouTubers live here. Number 6. Yes, Canva. In 2025, their text-to-video and image-to-video is legitimately fire. Type Cyberpunk City Fly-Through at golden hour. Get 8 seconds of pure cinema, you drop straight into Canva's editor with millions of assets. If you already use Canva for thumbnails and graphics, you now have 0 reason to leave. Number 5. HeyGen. This one is actually scary. Upload a 3-minute selfie, get a perfect digital clone that speaks 40 languages with your exact voice and facial expressions.
My avatar is now closing sales calls and teaching courses while I sleep. Companies are saving millions on spokespeople. Personalized video at scale equals game over. If you're already mind blown by at least one of these, smash that like button, it really helps. We're halfway, and it only gets crazier from here.
Number 4. Hailuo Minimax. A lot of you expected Sora here, but Hailuo just stole the show in 2025 with its insane motion coherence and hyper-detailed physics. 108op up to 4K, flawless cloth, hair, water simulation, plus pro-level camera controls, tracking shots, pans, even simulated lens flares. I generated a dancer in flowing silk robes mid-twirl on a rainy Tokyo street. The rain droplets and fabric ripple look straight out of a Wes Anderson film, but faster and cheaper than the big names. China's secret weapon, 3 to 5x more affordable. And it's crushing benchmarks for speed without sacrificing that viral wow factor. Number 3. Sora, still the prettiest kid on the block. Detail, cinematic coherence, and physics understanding are insane in 9 out of 10 complex prompts. 20-second clips that look shot on an Ari Alexa. ChatGPT integration means you direct it like a film crew. Still pricey and sometimes watermarked, but if you want pure holy shit reactions, this is it. Number 2. Runway. This is the tool that made me spend $1,200 in 45 days. They finally solved character consistency, same face, same clothes, same lighting across 20 different shots. Text to video, image to video, video to video, plus a full professional editor with magic tools. Inpainting, object removal, motion brush, lip sync, everything in one place. Gen 3 Turbo is actually usable for real client work right now. Alright, one more tool left. Number 1 right now, Taika 2.1, the tool that's exploding in 2025 with free daily credits for HD 108op generations up to 20 seconds, killer motion realism, and 0 watermarks on basics. Physics on point, fabric flows, lights flare like real cinema, plus image to video for tweaking ideas fast. It's my go-to for viral shorts without spending a dime. Alright, that's the real 2025 lineup. No fluff, just the 8 tools I actually open every week. Quick cheat sheet one last time. Marketing on autopilot gives InVideo, V Talking Avatars gives HeyGen, Easy Pretty Clips gives Canva Mind-Blowing Cinematic Stuff gives Hailuo Sora Full Stories, and Profinish gives Runway. And the free daily banger you can test right now gives Pika 2.1. Now I'm super curious. Drop a comment and just tell me, which one are you jumping into first, and which one shocked you the most? Now go make something ridiculous. See you in the comments.